I don't give no fucks today. With the drama don't come my way. You always have too much to say. I don't know why I hear my name.
What is up, YouTube? This is VIRGIL back with more for you to see. So how we're gonna start off my morning is gonna be actually going to the laundromat. My mom absolutely hates when I wash clothes on Sundays. So if I wash clothes, Mom, you know what you say. You know what you do to me. But what I have on the agenda today is to actually create off-white sneakers. So we'll go ahead and get into that a little bit later in the video. So let me go ahead and wash my clothes. And 3, 2, and. All right, so now that we got the equipment for making an off-white pair of sneakers, we gotta go pick up the sneakers. So let's go ahead and go to, you already guessed it, Ross. Alright, now time to finalize the next step, which is actually go get some sneakers. So here we are, we're at Ross, so let's...
Look where we at.
Alright, so major shout out to Mom. She actually hooked me up with a merchandise card at Ross. You know, if anybody ever wants to hook me up with a present or something like that, Ross gift cards, that'll work for me. So anyways, right now we're gonna actually go find a pair of very cheap sneakers. I'm gonna try to do Adidas. If not, last case scenario, Team Nike. Adidas boys, we don't do no swoosh.
A slave for power, I've been paranoid, now that's a paradox. Yeah. I took a shower, can't wash my sins cause I love the sauce. Yeah. 9 to 5, I'm going brain dead until I'm the boss. Yeah. Working overtime, this ain't overtime that I'm getting lost.
Woo. I don't wanna die on a tour bus. I feel like the world just ignores us.
Yo, what are the odds that I'm over here looking for off-white like shoes, and yet I find some fake off-white at Ross? Yo, don't say I didn't tell you. Ross got the hookup. Anyways, let's keep going. So let's just say we did a little bit of damage at Ross once again, but I gotta give a major shout out to Mom because she definitely hooked it up with $30 to go shopping. My budget came out to $75, but $30 off of that, so it's about $40. So Mom, you saved the day. Again, we're gonna go ahead and customize these sneakers, make them a little bit off-white on my own brand. So let's go ahead and get it. Let's get it. Let's. All right, what is up, guys? We are back in the studio, and we gotta continue on for this tutorial on how to make some off-white sneakers. Now, when I went to Ross, I decided to pick up some of those tubular radials, and I thought that they'd be pretty dope to make an off-white kind of look. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So the very simple materials that we're gonna need for this, and is gonna be very cheap to create: zip ties, a permanent marker, a printout for exactly what you're trying to write. This is a very optional one, but Crep Protect. And last but not least, of course, a pair of sneakers that you're gonna go ahead and customize. Now, keep in mind, these are probably gonna get ruined, but if you design it nice enough, they're gonna be very beautiful. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the writing that you wanna put on the inside of the sneaker and make sure you position it in a place that you actually want it to go onto. Now the process that I'm about to do is gonna be a lot longer than what it should be. You guys can get a stencil or something like that, but me, I'm actually gonna physically write everything that I want on there. And for this case, I'm trying to make it like the Jordan 1s where on the inside it said off-white. For mine, I'm customizing it so that it'll say off-white for VIRGIL2TV. Let's go ahead and flip over to this camera. So, John, what? Edit to the next shot. Why are you still on this shot? Edit to the next shot.
Slave for power, I've been paranoid, now that's a paradox. Yeah. I took a shower, can't wash my sins cause I love the sauce. Yeah. 9 to 5, I'm going brain dead until I'm the boss. Yeah. Working overtime, this ain't overtime that I'm getting lost.
I still got a chip on my shoulder. Showed up to the show.
Alright guys, so here we have it. It is the custom off-white Adidas tubular.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now let me tell you guys something. I don't understand what process I was actually trying to accomplish at first. I thought about how Off-White really does their branding, and in my head I had a whole bunch of complex ideas, but then I realized that they like to keep it very simple. But right there I put tubular with the quotation mark. Moving on to the inside, I went ahead and put copyright 1997, and then over here, much like the Air Jordan 1s, it says Off-White by Jolo 2, and on top of that, just to add a little touch, I went ahead and put the zip tie on. It was like a red zip tie that I found at the dollar store. Overall, it's pretty cool. I just think we should probably find some way to permanently get it on there. But overall, I really love how it came out. Let me know down below in the comments if you want to see more of these. I had a lot of fun doing it, but I'm gonna get out of here right now. So Jolo 2 TV with that custom Off-White out.
Look where we are.